going to put down in the description who came up with this challenge, because the names are not coming right to my head right now. I'm sorry, guys. I really am. I probably should look this up before I started. I might stop the video and go and look so I can mention it through the video. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you guys what my toppings are. I have some sour cream, some pepperoncinis. I have some ground beef here, seasoned with taco seasoning, cheese, tomatoes, and corn. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 toppings. I have my lettuce. I have some taco sauce, and I think I have to have dressing. And I know that the lettuce and the dressing do not count as the toppings, but just in case, I got the ranch. And also got some Dorito chips. So if you guys haven't already figured it out, I am having a taco salad. So when I heard Taco My Way challenge, I started thinking I've been having cravings for tacos. So I was like, all right, I got this. Taco salads. Hold on, you guys. I am back. So the challenge is by the Essence of Sonia and, oh my gosh, Louisiana Housewives, and hold on, World, and Imani just wants to be in the video because she's Imani. So they said you could challenge 3 people. Don't be sitting here eating up all my cheese. Go play with your sister. Okay, they said I can challenge 3 people, so I'm going to challenge it's called, I think her challenge. Stop eating my cheese. Yes, you are. Kicking it. Hold on. I am trying to get this straight, but it's just not happening. Okay. Kicking it with my divas, which I figured that's what the name of the channel was, but I wanted to be 100% sure before I said it. And oh wait, I'm sorry, y'all. I swear, everybody's name just slipping my mind right now. But what is his name? Nope, no.
My phone is alive.
Nope. Let's see if your tablet's alive.
Mommy, do you charge it?
Charge what?
My tablet.
I put your tablet on a charger, but
Mommy, you don't put things in. Mommy, you don't supposed to eat cheese.
it's not alive. Sorry, it's dead. The tablet needs to charge.
Mommy,
Well, you need to just go in there and watch TV, please.
Mommy,
What?
Mommy, charge my phone.
You go both charge your phone. Take your phone. Daddy charger over there. Okay, sorry you guys. What?
In the video?
Go put the phone on the charger. Alright, I'm gonna start putting this together, you guys. I'm gonna think of everybody's name.
Imani. And Winter.
Imani. This ain't got nothing to do with y'all.
And Mommy and Daddy. That's you in that video.
Really?
I just funny. Mommy, do you like cheese in there?
Yes, and I'm gonna put cheese. The cheese goes, no.
Mommy, I want a little bit of cheese.
No, yesterday you almost ate that whole bag of cheese. Actually, you pretty much did eat that whole bag of cheese yesterday. Okay, I know y'all see these jalapeno poppers. I made those yesterday, so I just wanted to put that in there. Girl, don't touch that. That is spicy. I don't want to eat that. Go in there and play with your sister.
Do I want to?
I know you do. Alright,
Somebody
there's all my
charged my
taco
phone.
sauce. I told you, over there. Go put your phone on the charger over
I
there.
can't see it.
Imani, you don't even try to look. It's right there at the end of the bed. You know what?
It's in the bed right
Hold on, you guys.
here.
I don't even know if she watched my channel or not, and if somebody probably already called her out, but Sam's World. Sam's World. I'm sorry. I love her intro. What do you want?
I just scratched right here, right there.
How'd you do it?
Because right there, it was scratched there.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh no, no, leave my lights alone. Why are you trying to turn off my lights?
Somebody's in there.
Winter's in there. Oh my gosh. Please go. Please go. Okay, I'm gonna just drip a little bit of this
Mommy, can you follow
ranch
me?
in here.
Mommy, can you follow me?
What are you scared of? It is the daytime. It's literally right across the hall. Open the door and go right across the hall. Stop being scary. I'm sorry, you guys. She just been extra scary lately, like to the point where she don't even really want to get up out the bed to go to the restroom. It ain't no light, even if it's really lit outside. She's still. All right. Let's do this thing. So I guess you can count the chips as a set side.
Mommy,
What?
where'd you poop in my top of my house? I was even hungry. And then I was tempted to go in the kitchen and I saw winter poop.
Where did you see it?
In my house.
Where in the house?
Over there. And she was putting my toys in there. And poop in the plate. And that's disgusting.
All right, you guys. I'm gonna take 2 bites, and I have to go take care of this horrible thing.
Horrible thing is going on. Yes, it is going on. So, ooh, Cheetos. This is not spicy.
Don't want Cheetos.
There is a Cheetos.
It's Doritos.
They're not spicy.
No.
Mommy, you burritos are not spicy.
One more bite.
One more bite. One more bite to me.
No, for me.
What about me too?
I gotta go put on some gloves and take care of some horrible business.
And the horrible poop. Do you want to eat this? Eat this. Eat this, guys. Eat this then. Eat.
I know this was supposed to be healthy, and ain't nothing about this healthy, y'all. Not the way I did it.
You know how to wear it are.
Excuse me. But y'all, this is my first meal of the day.
Of the day is called.
Because I've been trying to like intermittent fast, so I'm gonna eat this, and then I'll probably eat dinner, and that's gonna be it for today.
Yes.
All right. Had to delete the majority of this whole video because the whole time it was going on, while I was in there cleaning her up, I just had to go clean up. Oh, okay. I'm potty training my daughter. She's pretty much potty trained, except she won't go to the bathroom if she has to go. Like, you have to take her. So she made like this huge poopy mess in her playhouse, in their room. So I had to go up there and clean it up. So imagine my headspace right now. Hopefully I can eat my food because, like I said, this is my first meal of the day all day. And of course, we got cold. Yeah. Let me talk at an angle. Sadie! Okay, because I'm kind of. Why you come and put your iPhone in here this morning?
I did not.
Yes, you did.
I put it in my room.
Nope. You came in here and it was in this bed this morning.
It's out of morning or winter. They came in my room and got it.
Winter? No. Why? She came in this. Well, maybe she grabbed this morning when she came. What? Would you please get her stuff to finish this video?
Winter.
Don't try her like that.
I'll stay with you. Under your legs.
No. Get out of here, Luna. Everybody out. I just want to finish my first meal of the day. Would you please shut the door? Thank you. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to finish my first meal of the day. I just changed her mood. Yeah, she had it all in her face and everything. Jenny Money came in here. I don't even know how many times. And stole all my chips. I'm trying to do it like this so y'all can see my little Christmas tree behind me. My Christmas lights. Actually, it's not Christmas lights. These are year-round lights, but it is Christmas. Come on.
She won't do that. Get back. Titty. Nothing here.
Ew. Sorry, Winter Pooh. you go, baby. I trust nobody's hands right now. Close your door, please. Ugh. I'll add a little bit more taco sauce. So tonight for dinner I made chili, which is already done. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get them to go ahead and eat because I've just been falling asleep real early and tomorrow they start back school. Yeah. Super excited. My glasses. Vlogmas day 8. I swear I've been doing Vlogmas like every other day, y'all. Every other day. But that's okay. That is okay. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Oh crap. Second time I done did this. I know y'all ain't come on here to see me fix my lights. good. Darn it. Okay, I got it back together. I know. I thought for sure I was gonna mess those up because that's the second time I done did that. Hmm. You know what? I know there's like 3 people, but I'm gonna challenge Coco TV. Challenge. Yeah. Time already getting away from me, y'all. That pepper getting to me, man. That is spicy. But I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna take a couple of rocks and I'm trying to stop my mouth from burning. I know. I know. I gotta do all that. I know. I'm gonna burp some more. I'm really not eating But I'm trying to get the spice out my mouth. Y'all, I don't even remember what day it was, but I was walking. I got these shoes on I got on right now, my slippers. I went and got them in the wide. I don't know why. I got a wide. Big mistake. I was walking and tripped over a little piece of a stump or a rock and fell right on my butt. I was so embarrassed because somebody saw me. And they were like, "You alright? You alright?" I'm fine. But I was super embarrassed. Man. I meant to tell my husband about it, but I keep forgetting. Alright. My mouth finally stopped burning. Make sure I got all my stuff on the truck. Take everything out one time. I don't know why I ain't putting no damn paper towel on here though. It's super, super late, but I just thought about not bless my food. Excuse me. I'm almost finished with it. One more sip. Alright, this was Vlogmas Day 8, the Salad Your Way Challenge by Vicky's World, The Essence of Sonia, and Louisiana Housewife. See, I remember now. And also, like I said, I challenge chilling with my divas and Geraldine Odoms, Coco TV, and if she does watch my channel, which I don't think she does, Sam's World. Alright, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and happy holidays. Happy holidays. And that's the far as I'm gonna go.